Yes everyone, how are we? I've upgraded, look what we've got now. Someone the other day said, show us your mower, Ben, you're a gardener, do you know what I mean? Well, this is a Honda GCV 200X, yeah? You ain't getting no better than this, and I'm doing everyone at gardening top end, do you know what I mean? Easily, do you know what I mean? Let's have a nosy. I'm going to bring you a bit closer, and we're going to show you the beast, yeah? Look at this for some kit, lads. Do you know what I mean? It's a Honda GCVX 200, yeah? GCVX 200, yeah? Easy start auto choke. You ain't beating this, yeah? Right? It's got a manual mulch plate, built-in mulch plate. You're not even needing to cut and drop. It's cutting it beautifully, do you know what I mean? Especially if you maintain those lawns regularly, you know what I mean? You literally just do that, look. Look at that. Runs off one cylinder. It's all you need, do you know what I mean? It even comes with a custom pop and bang map, do you know what I mean? Cheap and cheerful exhaust system. Look at that. I'm thinking about putting a Sportex exhaust system on this bad boy. Do you know what I mean? You can't beat these. Do you know what I mean? Absolutely fantastic. You know what I mean? Don't need to hard to change the oil because they're just solid. Do you know what I mean? Keep on top of these machines and they look after you. Do you know what I mean? Got at least another 100,000 hours with these wheels. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, they might be a bit bold, but hey ho, they do the trick. Do you know what I mean? Massive box. Do you know what I mean? You feel about half a brown bin's worth. It's just absolutely phenomenal, lads. Do you know what I mean? Look at that. Built-in mulch plate system. So when you move the lever, look at that, just shuts it off so you're not filling your box up. You just can't beat these, do you know what I mean? Honda GCV 200.